Our witnesses were here, our witnesses were there, but unfortunately, counsel for the accused was not present. And he should have been courteous enough. He should have been courteous enough to tell us through a correspondence, even an email, that he was not ready to proceed. So we would have not taken a lot of pain coming, because coming here is not easy. Yeah. So on our part, the key witness in this case was ready to testify today, but now the matter has been adjourned to 23rd June, when we will come and for Ringtone to testify. Yeah. I got an accident, that's why you can see this challenge to operate, but I'm recovering. Play games. It's actually immoral for council to play games of adjournment when they don't know what pain other people go through when they are coming to court. It's very painful. And then they will turn around and say the court is corrupt, the court has a backlog. Yet they are the same people playing games. It's not fair at all. I feel the pain as cancer, because what will Moraa or Wanjiku or Akinyi, who is facing injustice, what will she do when counsel are playing games? Very, very dirty games. It's not fair at all. You have anything to say?